Hey guys, James here, back with another video, and as we can see, we're going to a bit back to the original roots of my unboxing days, the top-down camera, the potted plant, and the small object that we're looking at today. As you can see, it's by a company called Instinct, and they're based in London, as you can see. Essentially, it's a very simple luggage kind of, you don't have to use it for luggage, but a bag lock, and it unlocks through your fingerprint, which is neat. You can see it takes 1 second to unlock. It has dust and waterproof IP64. One charge can support up to 3,000 times for normal using. The model is FLS2. It's the color black. It's material zinc alloy, 65 grams, and those are the dimensions. Made in China. And yeah, let's get straight into the unboxing. Instinct sent this over to me, wanting me to review it. I've always wanted to see what that looked and felt like. So yeah, I was like, sure, let's do it. All right, so immediately there's a charge in there. It's probably low charge, that's what it's trying to say. Comes with a bag, comes with a USB cable and a user manual. Yeah, it's this nice felt kind of a bag. You know, if you don't want to use it all the time, you can just keep it in this bag. That's a nice touch, it's really nice. So here we have the charging port. Great thing. First thing, USB Type-C on point, and it comes with the USB Type-C connector. That's good. If it was micro USB, I'll be kind of shaking my head. But USB Type-C, that's good. That's the way to go. Everyone's using USB Type-C. As you can see, it's got 5 volts in. So that's what you want to be using. And that's simple as that. You have the set button, and we'll look at the user manual as to how to do this right now. So essentially, it should be just resting. So in a sense, the fingerprint sensitivity isn't that great, as I would say as good as your phone sometimes, but yeah, you can put it right underneath, but you can't go over or go under. It needs a better thing in terms of for more efficiency. These are all the different lighting combinations, so you can pause this video if you want to see what that means. I want to know how to set this fingerprint. I'm going to put my thumb, I'm going to put my thumb again. So set it again. Okay, so now my thumb is set. So once you know how to do it, it's pretty easy. So I hope that has helped you. Okay, so now it's locked. It's unlocked. I put it again, and then it's locked. So you're gonna have to push it in a little bit, and then push it all the way in. Yeah, and then it's locked. So essentially, I'm the admin guy. So I'm the guy that sets everything. So now that's fully locked. So if I, for example, try to use this, it won't be able to unlock. So I can add kind of 11 other fingerprints onto this. All right, so let's just see if I got this right. To register a new fingerprint, or to register the first fingerprint, what you do is you hold this. The blue light comes on. So now I'm going to put my thumb, because my thumb is my admin. So then now I'm going to register I'm going to register this thumb. Okay, so now my thumb is registered. So I put my thumb in there. And then now this opens. So that's how you do it. Okay, so this is how you reset the thing. So you have to hold this for 8 to 10 seconds. So I'm going to do that now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, until 2 beeps. So it's kind of like 6 seconds. So I'm going to place my administrator account. Okay. And then it unlocks, and then it flashes 3 to 6 times. And it is showing that, yeah, it has been successful in removing the account. So when I put my thumb there, it registered 3 lights, means that no account has been set. This lock again, Instinct. So I'll just quickly show you what it's like to charge this thing. So let me just get a power bank. So you can see it's charging. So essentially when this becomes a solid green light, that's when you know that it's fully charged and you can take it out. But flashing means that it is charging. Now, in terms of the actual thing, interesting that they're using this kind of lock. You just have to make sure that each time you do put it back in, see, that I thought it was in, but it's not actually in. So yeah, you just want to give it a tug before you let it go. So that's pretty cool. And, you know, I'm just worried that you might break it because it seems okay, but it's not. Like, the pad itself seems okay, the fingerprint part, but, you know, I'll just be a little bit concerned about that. We'll see how it goes. But fingerprint lock, it's not bad as it is. Can be a little tricky to get in, but hey, it works. So yeah, I hope you like this video. This has been the fingerprint lock by Instinct. They are going to start selling this quite soon. I'll be leaving links in the description below if you want to go ahead and get one of these. And I think it's really awesome that in the manual that they do have this kind of diagram. It was quite essential in knowing, you know, what was actually happening at that time. But yeah, I love how it's USB-C, all metal construction, that it's not that bad to work out. You just got to know what to do. And hopefully this video has helped you to understand how to set up this lock. But pretty good lock. I would pay at most $60, $70 for it. I think if they were to go above 70 Australian dollars, it's a bit steep. But I know there's a lot of technology involved, but I just feel that perhaps fingerprint technology is not at that place where it's quite available to everybody. But having said that, if you really did want a fingerprint one, you don't want to have locks like the padlocks, or you don't want to carry around keys. I don't know who carries around keys still. But if you wanted technology and that's really cool to you, then go ahead and get this. But as I said, I don't know how much that's going to cost. But yeah, I would say at most I would pay is $70 Australian, which is about 50 plus US. For this. So hopefully they get it down a lot lower, and that'll be fantastic if they do. But yeah, hope you like this video. Like it if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any comments about this particular product or anything else, and I'll try to get around to answering those for you as soon as I can. Subscribe to see more videos like this in the future, and I will see you guys in the next one.